So when you're in your Kahoots, you want to make a new Kahoot. So you go up here to the top, click on New Kahoot. And we're going to make a quiz for this one, so we can do a little multi-choice. I'm going to give it the title. So this one is going to be Muscle Attachment. And I'm just going to put in here hashtag muscles. Visible to, so I can choose if it's only for me or everyone, and that makes it public if it's everyone, so I'm going to have only me. It's in English, and then I've got to pick my audience, so I'm going to pick training, because that's what I'm using it for here. You can add an image, so you can have something at the very front, so you can choose from any of those different things there. I'm going to have a quick look here at science and technology, and I'm just going to put in this one here. For the brain. And okay, go. Right, so the very first thing then I need to do is to add a question. So I'm going to put in add question. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, what is flexion? Okay, I can choose my time limit, so I'm happy enough with 20 seconds because it's quite a short question and I'm not going to put in too much here. So I'm going to say bend or flex a limb inwards. So you must put in 2, so you'll see beside these ones that there's required. Away. So I'm going to pick 4 because on an iTech exam paper, and that's what I'm doing this from, they will have 4. Okay, then I have to pick which one is the right answer. So this one, number 1, is the correct answer. So I want to add an image here again. Right down here and see if there's anything that I can add. So I'm going to put this in because that's actually a flexion. There's somebody moving their hand. So we'll do that one. And add that to my Kahoot. And do I want to award points? So if you don't want it to be too competitive, you can turn that off and then there's no competition in the class, but I want to award points. And then next, and you can put in another question and another question and another question. So if I want to check this, I can click here for edit and that gives me the answers. So I might change something on it or realize I put in the wrong questions. That's fine. The other thing that I can do is I can duplicate the question. And then just edit parts of it, or I can delete it if I don't want to have that question anymore. And up here, if I decide, oh, I actually don't like this picture at all, I can click on edit and just go back in and replace the image. I'll pick something off pictures. Oh, there's none in this one. Okay, so I can just remove it. And I'll add that one in instead. And okay, go. And that's my quiz made. I can click on save. So then I can edit it, I can preview it, so I can have a look at what it's going to look like for me to make sure that it's okay. And it will show, you see here on the right hand side, it's got a picture of your phone, so that's what your students are going to see. Then this is what I'll see on my screen. So previewing your quiz is really important before you start it, so I'm going to do it in classic mode. So this is again what I'll see on my screen here. And I'll stick in the quiz, so Okay, and then I'm ready to start. So I can see that's the question as it's going to appear on the board. My students are going to get these 4 answers. I've got these here. I'm going to pick red, and I see I got it right. And then next is where I'm finished. So when you finish your quiz, if you want to get your results, you click on that and you can save them, or the student can play it again in ghost mode. But we'll do another video on that another time.